Keeping track of your blood pressure is an important part of monitoring your health. Now you can do it reliably and easily from the comfort of your own home with the Dr. Trust Comfort Blood Pressure Monitor. Lightweight and portable, the Dr. Trust EU certified and FDA approved monitor is simple and easy to use, boasting a fully automatic blood pressure monitoring experience. This device comes with advanced measurement during inflation technology, which makes measuring pain-free, faster and more accurate. The product also features a micro USB port, which you can use to power your BP monitor through a mobile power bank, laptop or Android adapter. Or you can just insert 4 AAA batteries, replace the back cover, and you're ready to go. When a reading has been taken, you'll see your systolic and diastolic blood pressure values shown on the clear LCD display with a heart rate value at the bottom. You'll also see a traffic light marker on the left of the screen, indicating whether your results are optimal, need consultation, or need urgent assistance. You can recall your results at any time by pressing the memory button, where you can cycle through up to 120 past readings for 2 separate users. This unit also features an abnormal heart rhythm detector. If an abnormal rhythm is detected, a heartbeat icon will show. Regular displays of this icon should be checked thoroughly by your doctor. If you'd like to record data for multiple users at set times and dates, access the menu by pressing and holding the Time button for 3 seconds, using the Memory button to choose user 1 or 2. Press Time again to enter the year, date, and time of day, pressing the Memory button to adjust the settings, and time to set your choice. You can refer to the handbook at any time for further details on your blood pressure results. Stay on top of your health, reliably and easily wherever you are, with the Dr. Trust Comfort Blood Pressure Monitor.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.